Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're on the hunt for the best juicer this year, you've come to the right place. Whether you're looking to boost your health with fresh juices, create the ultimate smoothies, or just get the most nutrients out of your fruits and veggies, having the right juicer can make all the difference. But with so many options out there, how do you know which one is actually worth your money? Some are fast and powerful, some preserve more nutrients, and some come with next-level features that take juicing to a whole new level. Well, I've done the research, tested these machines, and today, I'm breaking down the top 5 best juicers you can buy right now. And of course, I'm saving the absolute best for last, so make sure you stick around until the end. Let's jump right in. Number 5, Ninja Cold Press Pro. Starting off at number 5, we have the Ninja Cold Press Pro, a compact, efficient, and easy-to-use cold press juicer that's perfect for anyone looking for a budget-friendly option without compromising on quality. Cold press technology extracts maximum juice with minimal oxidation, keeping your juice fresh for up to 72 hours. Whisper quiet motor, so you can juice in the morning without waking up the whole house. Compact and lightweight design, making it easy to store, even if you have limited counter space. Pulp control settings, allowing you to choose how much pulp you want in your juice. Easy to clean parts, with dishwasher-safe removable components that make cleanup effortless. Great for soft fruits and leafy greens, ensuring high juice yield without wasting ingredients. Now, while this juicer is great for casual users who want a simple, no-fuss option, it doesn't have the wide feed chute or high-capacity features of larger premium juicers. If you're looking for something that can handle whole fruits and veggies with minimal prep, the next one is for you. Number 4, Hurom H200 Easy Clean Slow Juicer. At number 4, we have the Hurom H200 Easy Clean Slow Juicer. If you love the idea of a powerful, slow juicer that's super easy to clean, this one's a game changer. Self-cleaning technology, reducing clogging and making cleanup almost effortless. Patented slow squeeze technology at 43 RPM, preserving nutrients and preventing oxidation. Extra large feed chute, letting you juice whole apples, oranges and beets without chopping. High juice yield, thanks to its dual stage extraction system that gets every last drop out of your produce. Upgraded auger system, designed to handle hard produce like carrots, celery, and ginger effortlessly. BPA-free materials, so you don't have to worry about harmful chemicals in your juice. Super quiet motor, making it ideal for early morning juicing without waking up the whole house. If you prioritize easy cleaning and high-quality juice, the Hurom H200 is one of the best options out there. But if you're looking for a juicer that's specifically designed to get the most juice out of celery and leafy greens, you're gonna love the next model. Number 3, Omega MM9 100 HDS Slow Masticating Celery Juicer. Coming in at number 3, we've got the Omega MM9 100 HDS Slow Masticating Celery Juicer. If you're into celery juice for its health benefits, this one is built specifically for that purpose. 80 RPM slow extraction system, ensuring minimal heat buildup and oxidation to keep enzymes and nutrients intact. Special adjustable end cap for celery, designed to maximize juice yield and extract every last drop. Dual stage masticating process, crushing and then pressing produce for the highest juice efficiency possible. Ultra quiet motor with low vibrations, so you can juice at any time of day without disturbing anyone. Multifunction capability, meaning you can also make nut butter, frozen desserts, baby food, and even grind spices. Heavy-duty stainless steel filter, ensuring that your juice is smooth and pulp-free. Built to last, with a durable design that can handle years of daily use. If you drink celery juice daily or love juicing leafy greens, the Omega MM9 100 HDS is one of the best specialized juicers on the market. But if you're looking for a juicer that can do even more, check out the next one. Number 2. Breville 3X Bluicer Pro. At number 2, we've got the Breville 3X Bluicer Pro, a hybrid juicer and blender that does it all. 1000 W high-speed motor, powerful enough to juice and blend with ease. Cold spin technology, ensuring juice extraction without heat buildup so you don't lose nutrients. 5 one-touch preset programs, allowing you to make everything from fresh juice and smoothies to frozen cocktails and soups. 3.5-inch wide feed chute, so you can juice whole fruits and vegetables without pre-cutting. Super strong stainless steel cutting disc, providing smooth and efficient juice extraction without clogging. Multiple blending speeds, allowing you to customize the texture of smoothies, purees, and other drinks. Large 50-ounce jug, perfect for making big batches of juice or blended drinks at once. If you want more than just a juicer and love the idea of a machine that can both juice and blend, the Breville 3X Bluicer Pro is an absolute must-have. But now, it's time for the best juicer of the year. And finally, my number one pick, Kuvings Whole Slow Juicer Evo 820. Here it is, the absolute best juicer this year. The Kuvings Whole Slow Juicer Evo 820. If you want top-tier performance, maximum juice extraction, and a sleek premium design, this is the one to get. 240W high-torque motor running at 50 RPM, preserving nutrients and preventing oxidation. Extra-wide 3.2-inch feed chute, allowing you to juice whole apples, oranges, and large veggies without chopping. Dual-stage juicing process, ensuring the highest juice yield with minimal waste. Patented slow-press technology, squeezing juice instead of shredding, giving you a richer taste and more nutrients. Premium leather-textured finish, adding a stylish and high-end look to your kitchen. Sorbet and smoothie attachments, letting you make frozen treats, smoothies, and more. Noise reduction technology, making it one of the quietest slow juicers available. 10-year warranty, ensuring long-lasting durability and peace of mind. If you want the most advanced, high-quality, and efficient juicer, the Kuvings Whole Slow Juicer Evo 820 is the ultimate winner. And that's it, the top 5 best juicers you can buy this year. Whether you need a budget-friendly option, a specialized celery juicer, or a high-end machine with all the bells and whistles, this list has something for everyone. Which juicer do you think is the best? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews, comparisons, and home appliance recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.